Howdy there, folks. This is Luke Charles Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your little RV specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation, family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, my sisters call me Charlie, and my 23 nieces and nephews call me Lukey Poo, but you can call me anytime at 440-OHIO-RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. Again, that's truckandrv.com. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see pricing and more information on this unit. Once this unit is unavailable, that link will be removed. Kuhn Truck and RV is proud to offer brand new Roadtrek Class B camper vans with unbeatable pricing and old school family owned service. Give us a call at 440-OHIO-RVs. Again, that's 440-OHIO-RVS. For sale today, we have a brand new 2023 Roadtrek Play. We will beat or match anyone's pricing on brand new current model year Roadtreks. Visit truckandrv.com or roadtrek.com for more information on how to custom order your new Roadtrek today. Alrighty folks, here we are inside of this brand new 2023 Roadtrek Play. As usual, I'm going to start in the front, work my way towards the rear. I'm going to do my best to give you a good idea of the overall floor plan of this brand new Roadtrek. Here at Kuhn Truck and RV, we are proud to be a second generation family owned and operated business. We are going to go through a full demo with you at the time of sale, answer any questions you may have, and make sure you're fully comfortable with your new Roadtrek. Got the creamy malt interior here on the Play series, 74 inches of headroom. We have a fantastic fan or max air fan here in the center of the coach. It's going to run on DC power. It can act like an exhaust fan for your bathroom area, which is in here. We'll see in just a few minutes. Or like an exhaust fan for your kitchen area if you're cooking. Going to take the air outside of the coach. We have an AC plug-in down here by the floor, fire extinguisher. Nice easily accessible entryway here with this sliding door. You can slide the window over here. We have a screen you can drop down to keep the bugs out, or a privacy screen that nobody can see through. You can open and close this door with the screens deployed. We have our control center here that's going to operate our patio light, our water pump to pump the water out of the onboard fresh water tank. The 3,000 watt sine wave inverter is going to be turned on and off here. That inverts the DC power of the coach batteries to AC power to run things like the air conditioner or the microwave. We have two 200 amp AGM batteries here in the Play series, so 400 amps of AGM power. Here's our battery disconnect. It's going to prevent parasitic draw or phantom draw off of those coach batteries. So when you're storing this, you're going to want to turn that off. When you're using it, you want to have your inverter on and your coach battery disconnect on. So that's what you're going to want to have this set up as whenever you're using this RV. This is a meter here that tells you how much power you have. This is for our propane, our fresh, black and gray tanks. These are notoriously finicky, so don't always trust these. A switch here to run our power awning in and out. Got a power station here with AC, DC power, and USB. We have a flip out counter extension here. I'm going to show you here how well built these new Roadtreks are. You can literally shake the RV by that counter extension here. So everything in the Roadtrek series are CNC machined cabinetry. So the Play series has all of the same quality construction, the wheeling wiring harnesses, the interlocking subfloor with the docking pockets for all the cabinetry to make those rock solid. Everything's CNC machined out of real wood. Obviously there's a veneer on that, but it's not press board. So lots of quality in all the Roadtreks, even the Play series here. What's really the difference in the Play? You get the creamy malt interior. There's no choice on that. You get this instead of the Firefly. There's a little less paint on the exterior, and you have a solid step on the sliding door here instead of the toolie steps that come out automatically. But still, a lot of great things about the Play series here, and a lot to love. We have a 2-burner propane cooktop, got this stainless backsplash here, our microwave, single basin sink, nice tall faucet. AC power on the front there. It's nice for your coffee pot. Lots of storage down here where you can take things with you. Everybody knows that storage is super valuable in a camper van. Got these nice doors here, mirrors on them. Got another nice mirror inside. We have a wet bath, so everything's going to drain into the floor. Put your toilet there. Nice, easy to access everything inside of the bathroom here. You got the curtain you can pull around to help contain the water and make sure everything drains there into the basin. A nice spot on the wall that you can stick your soaps, shaving creams, whatever you're using. You got a towel bar. You can lock these doors where they are open like this from the inside to give you more elbow room. Storage on the front of the doors. Nice mirrors here. Help you get ready. Really nice slide out pantry here. Great design, gives you a lot of room. This is a 12 volt DC compressor driven fridge freezer from Vitrifrigo. So this is compressor driven, meaning it's going to cool down more efficiently and faster than your traditional absorption fridge freezers that you see in a lot of motorhomes. Really like that you get the separate freezer up top. Makes this much more realistic to get good usage out of. We've got a big drawer here. They call this the pots and pans drawer. You can use it for whatever you like. Down here, we've got the back of our water heater and a water heater control panel there on the right. That clear tube on the ground there is a winterization kit that we add here at Kuhn Truck and RV. Got the back of the 3000 watt sine wave inverter. Table mount here in the floor. The tabletop is stored in the rear door. Table leg on the left. AC plug in there that the microwave's plugged into. Rod here so you can hang your jackets. I really like this creamy malt interior color. These doors look really nice. I feel like my wife would love this. Got our solar controller there for the 300 watts of solar on the roof. Got our air conditioner overhead. Thermostat to control that here. This is a switch to run the sofa up and down. This is a power sofa. You can move these cushions here. You can also move the cushions over here to make up the big bed. I'll show you that here in just a second. Got a little power station here with AC power and DC power. Some TV remotes. These have shades and screens here that you can pull either way. Gonna open on this side. Same thing over here. So you're gonna be able to use the screen or the privacy curtain here. You can drop down the privacy curtain in the back or the screen. You can open and close these doors with this stuff deployed here. Makes that really nice. So if you're parked somewhere nice, you can open the doors up and let the outside in. Got a privacy shade here as well. So here with the optional forward-facing sofa, essentially, we've got our seat belts back here. So you can buckle 3 people here on the bench, 2 up front, so a total of 5 belts. Or you can run this down here, make 2 twin beds. A lot of people like that, so you can get in and out of bed without crawling over one another. Or there's a board underneath here that you can use to span this gap. Put these cushions in there. It's gonna make a big bed. Also got a nice big storage underneath here and a little bit of storage over here. I'll show you that. And the beds here so you can get some measurements and see what everything looks like.
The rear twin beds measure approximately 75 inches north, south, or front to back, and 27 inches east, west, or side to side. The big bed measures approximately 75 inches north, south, or front to back, and 72 inches east, west from wall to wall. The seat belts can be pushed down below the cushions for bedtime. This is the storage space beneath the front parts of the bed area.
Here we are sitting in the back of this brand new 2023 Roadtrek Play. Why do reptiles make such good musicians? They really know their scales. Got our propane furnace down here. Gonna operate that through the thermostat over here. These are the AC, DC, USB power stations that they did here in all the Roadtreks. I really like how these are set up. Got one back here that you can use when you're laying down. You can click these lights on and off right here just by pushing in on them. Another power station over here. Got our speaker system here with our TV. So this is just a cover here to help protect your screen, make it look a little nicer. This is on a swivel mount, can swivel out to face the front. Both of these front seats swivel, however your passenger seat is going to get the best seat in the house. This has the steering wheel, and this cabinet here kind of makes it hard to get a really good position. But it gives you an option here to kind of create 2 different living zones where somebody can be in the back, somebody can be in the front. So you get up at different times in the morning. Somebody can sit up front and watch TV while you still have somebody laying in the back. And a nice bar here to help you get up and in. Got a smoke alarm. Some storage over top. So all in all, a lot to love about these brand new Roadtreks, especially this Play series here. Quite a fan. Still got all the same quality construction throughout and intelligent design that went into making these Roadtreks. Some of the best coaches out there if you're looking for a Class B. We will beat or match anyone's pricing on brand new current model year, like for like Roadtreks. So give us a chance to show you the family-owned difference here at Kuhn Truck and RV. Check these out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Up here in the cabin area, we are all loaded up with power windows, locks and mirrors, steering wheel controls. We have all sorts of connectivity options here to connect your phone so you can listen to music, audiobooks, get your GPS, all kinds of things like that. Got different plugins here from USB, USB-C to standard DC. Got the RAM charger, wireless charging station here. Some cup holders, little glove box here. There's spots you can tuck things. Some room up on the dash. Also got these overhead storage spots here. Our lights you can click on and off. This is our fuse panel with our AC breakers and our DC fuses. We have an underhood generator here on these new Roadtreks. So essentially what that means is when the engine is running, the generator is running. What's the benefit of that? It's a lot quieter, so people aren't going to know that you're technically running your generator. So it's going to help you get away with being able to use the generator more often. Also, when you're driving, you're essentially going to be able to create house power in here to have AC power for your microwave, your air conditioner, charging up your battery system, all those kinds of things. Got a hard surface floor up here, going to make this easier to keep clean. We have a table mount here as well, so you can put the Lagoon table up here in the front. You also get 2 years of free roadside assistance. They're going to come with these Roadtreks. Got our backup camera system is going to function through the head unit up front. Alrighty, folks, we're going to go around the outside of this brand new 2023 Roadtrek Play. This camper van measures 20 feet, 9 inches bumper to bumper with a 13-foot power awning. These 2023 Roadtreks are built on Ram ProMaster 3500 HD RV ready chassis with a 3.6 liter V6 gasoline engine. This is a granite metallic exterior. All of the Roadtreks go through a rigorous road test, leak test, and humidity test before they make their way to places like Kuhn Truck and RV. And then here at Kuhn Truck and RV, we do our own inspection on everything to make sure things are tip top and ready to go for you. We've got a nice wide sturdy step here to help you get up and into the coach. Easy to slide open the door here. You can drop the screen down or have the privacy curtain here. You can use the magnetic closure here. Just make that easier to get in and out. So you can close the door with the screens deployed. It's our propane tank that's down there that's mounted to the unit. So you have to drive somewhere to have that filled. Got our air conditioner up top. Our backup cameras here. Storage beneath the rear sofa. If you don't want to have these seat belts up here when you're sleeping, which you usually won't, you're going to push those down here. They're going to fall beneath the couch back here. Some nice space where you can tuck different things for your Roadtrek adventure. We have our city water in right here. So you're going to put your hose here wherever you're staying to get water. Tow package here, 3,500 pound towing capacity, 300 pound tongue weight. Here's where you're going to connect the wires for whatever you're towing. We have our TV in here, 30 amp shore power connection. Our Lagoon table is stored here in the back of the door. We have the same style privacy curtain or bug screen that you can put down in the back and open or close the rear doors with the screen deployed. Makes this really nice for when you're parking in beautiful places that you're able to get to with Class Bs like this. We have our outside shower. This is nice for kids, pets, going to the beach, going on a hike. Wash your boots off, keep the mess outside of the camper. This is where our dump station is. So we have a unique and clever design here from Roadtrek. We have a gravity drain like you'd usually see on a lot of different RVs. You're gonna do your black first and then your gray. Everything's gonna come out of this hole here. Or we have a macerator pump system. There's a hose on the side of this door that you'll be able to pull out and put into the sewer drain. Wherever you're draining that in the ground, you can pump that out. This is the back of our water heater, furnace exhaust. The 37-gallon fresh water tank is up underneath. There's a drain down there if you need to drain the water out of that. This is the fuel fill. Put gas into the motorhome. This red switch here is going to activate the macerator pump. So if you're using the macerator drain system back here, you'll open the black gate, push this and pump it out. Then you'll open the gray gate and pump it out as well. Here's a fill for the onboard freshwater tank. So you're gonna put your water in here that's gonna travel with you in that 37-gallon freshwater tank. This is a chassis battery disconnect that we added here at Kuhn Truck and RV. This is for storage when you're not using the motorhome. You can quickly disconnect the chassis battery as well. So you're not gonna have that is likely to be dead when you come back to use the camper van again. All in all, there's a lot to love about these brand new Roadtreks, and especially the Play series. We have all of the same quality craftsmanship and intelligent design that went into all of the Roadtreks here on the Play series. Don't have the custom painted lowers, which still look great to me. You don't have the Thule power steps, no lithium, and no Firefly system. But you're gonna save quite a bit of money here on the Play series. You're gonna get a great camper van either way. Check these out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV Brothers.